How to comment on Instagram with GIF. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Instagram app, navigate through a post you want to comment a GIF to, and tap on the comment icon right below that post, and it will then open up the comment section. Now this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. If you want to comment it normally, you can tap on the GIF icon at the bottom right, or when you type in a comment, it will be in line with the comment box. So tap on GIF and you will then be able to select a GIF or a GIF and search for it as well if you are looking for a specific one. And once you select a GIF, it will automatically comment it. Now, if you want to reply a GIF and you don't see the GIF or GIF button, after you tapped on reply, you will then have to erase the username and tap on GIF, and you can reply to a comment with a GIF like that. And that's how you can basically comment or reply on Instagram with GIF.